In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft Teams and add a virtual background to your video calls. This feature can be incredibly useful for maintaining privacy, creating a professional setting, or simply having some fun with your video background. So let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, you'll need to go to Microsoft Teams. If you're unfamiliar with Microsoft Teams, it is a powerful communication and collaboration platform that is part of the Microsoft 365 suite of products. It's widely used for video conferencing, chat, file sharing, and more. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. You can also access Teams through its desktop application if you have it installed. If you haven't signed in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Teams dashboard, which is your command center for all your Teams activities. Now that you're in Microsoft Teams, let's move on to adding a virtual background. Virtual backgrounds are a fantastic way to customize your video call experience. Whether you're working from a less than ideal location or just want to add a bit of flair to your calls, virtual backgrounds can help set the right tone. To add one, you'll need to join or start a meeting. Once you're in a meeting, look for the menu options at the bottom of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Device Settings, and within that, there's a camera option. Click the drop-down menu next to Camera. This is where you can adjust your video settings, including choosing a virtual background. In the background section that appears, you'll find a selection of default virtual backgrounds provided by Teams. Simply browse through these options and click on the one you'd like to use. If you want to use a custom background, Teams also allows you to upload your own images, giving you even more flexibility and personalization. Click the Add New button to upload an image from your computer. Just make sure that the image you choose isn't too visually distracting for your meeting participants. Adding a virtual background can help maintain professionalism by hiding any cluttered or unprofessional environment behind you. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in the way you present yourself in virtual meetings. After selecting your preferred background, close the settings menu to see the new background applied behind you. And that's it. You're all set up with a virtual background on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using this feature for professional meetings or casual hangouts, it's a great way to personalize your video call experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your meetings with your new virtual backdrop, and don't hesitate to explore other features that Microsoft Teams offers to enhance your productivity.